Hello guys, this is Kevin. So today's video, I like to talk about the machines that is inside of your trunk. What I mean is the cars that are coming from 2012, 2013, and 14. Those of the cars have the spare tires in the trunk. So when your tire is flat, you can change into the spare tire very fastly so that you can go to the fixing center to fix the tires. This one is Tucson iX that I'm driving right now, and since it is 2012 model, when you see the trunk inside, you can see the spare tires. Normally, most of the cars that you are driving would be like this. So when you open the trunk side, you can see the spare tire here, and it is a little bit smaller than the tires that the car is using. And because it is spare tires, you can use this tire for a short time to go to the fixing center. But the cars that are coming, like 2018, 19, 20, the new model comparing to this car, has the different machine instead of the tires. Let's see the car. So here is the Sportage from Kia, and I already show you how to see the ear of the car. You can check on the driver's side door when you open it. You can check the sticker over here. So you see the letter J over here, meaning that it is 2018 model. And the cars that are coming from 2018, 19, 20, or 21, they have the different matter other than the spare tire. So when you see the trunk side and open it, you cannot see the spare tire, but you have some other things that would be helpful when you get the accident. So let's see the box first. You can see the car mat and the tripod. So this is tripod. So when you get the accident, you can let you know the car coming from the back side that your car had the accident already, so your car is stopped. And here is the tire mobility kit, and this is the kit that I want to talk about today. So let's open the kit first. When you open it, you can see the two machines, but actually they are one pair. This is the kit for blowing the air to the tire directly, and this is the kit for operating the machine with your car. There is explanations when you read it in English and Korean, so you can use it very easily. So when your tire is flat, you can use this for blow your tire before you go to the fixing center. So this machine can be temporarily very helpful for you. So I will let you know how to use this machine with my car. Let's go. So there are two machines and they are one pair. So this machine is for pumping up the tires, and this machine is operator for making the energy so that the tires can be pumped up. The first thing that you have to do is you have to connect this hose. You can see this hose, and you have to connect this hose to the hole here. So by rolling it, you can connect with the operator and the machine for pumping up. So it's connected, and you have to connect this pumping machine to the operator, and as you can see, there is a hole here. You can fit in very carefully, so you can fit in like this way. Then it is fit in, and you can see the arrow here. This arrow show you the way how to fit in. After you finished combining these two machines, you have to bring this machine to the car because this machine doesn't have the battery. So how they can work is using the battery of the car. So you see the line here, this one, the another line, and you can put inside of the charger here. So they can get the electricity from the car battery to operate this machine. The line is pretty long, so you don't have to worry about the length of the line. You see, it's very enough. And after you finish connecting the line, what you have to do is you go to the flat tire. This tire is not flat, but let's say this tire is flat, then you open the hole for putting the air inside of the tire, and here is the connection. So when you try to put the connection here, then you can pump up the tire very easily. And then you on the switch, then you can turn on the operator to pump up the tire. So this is how to use the tire mobility kit, and this is why the car manufacturer like Kia Motors, Hyundai Motors doesn't provide you the spare tire. Of course, this one is for using in emergency stage. So even if you finished pumping up the tire, you have to go to the fixing center so that you can check whether the tire has a crack or not. After you use it, you have to dismantle it, and it is very easy as I show you before. You can do it in a reverse way, so you can disconnect the machines separately. You have to organize it so that you can use it later again. So this is how to use the tire mobility kit very easily. And when you bought the Korean used cars, you have to check whether the car has the spare tire or the tire mobility kit. If there is no tire mobility kit, then you have to ask the seller where is the spare tire or the mobility kit. If you have any questions after you watching this video for how to use the tire mobility kit, then just let me know by the comment. Then I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching my video, and this is all for today's video. Thank you. Bye.